Why can't you tell me if you took an oath of office? Seriously, I can't believe this. I'm in Mount Brook Court and the judge won't tell me whether he took an oath to office. I mean, this is embarrassing. Embarrassing to the entire country here that we're in court and to make any safe he took an oath to office. What is wrong with every one of it? What are y'all doing? In America, the judge don't even take oaths of offices anymore. This is crazy!
We've got an absolute heater here today, but with a little twist. This sovereign citizen is actually recording the whole thing from his point of view, like he really thought this was going to help his case. Spoiler alert, it doesn't. This dude is a complete nut job and starts rambling like the laws don't apply to him just because he said so out loud. Let me know in the comments what you think of this hearing and drop how many brain cells you think this guy's got left, because if I'm being generous, I might say he has 2 max. It's actually impressive how wrong you can be and still be that loud. Anyways, let's dive in here and watch this idiot get destroyed by the judge here.
Good afternoon. Oh, right here? I'm the administrator for that matter. I said I'm the administrator for that matter.
Mr. King, you're charged with trespassing in the 3rd degree. How do you understand that charge?
Your Honor, you'll never stand over me. So when you say I understand, please elaborate.
Do you understand the charge of trespassing in the 3rd degree?
No man will ever stand over me, sir. So please say it again. I'm sorry.
I'm not doing that again.
Okay.
You are charged with trespassing in the 3rd degree. How do you plead on that charge?
Before I plead, I need to know that I was told that you're a man of God, and I was told that you took an oath of office. Did you take an oath of office?
I am not answering questions. This is an arraignment.
You're not going to answer. You're supposed to be the judge, correct? You're not going to tell me whether you took an oath of office or not.
Have you removed from the courtroom? You can plead on this charge. And what we will do is then set you plead guilty, and we'll go one course. If you plead not guilty, then I'll set your case down for the trial.
You're not going to tell me whether you took an oath to office. You're a judge to this county of Mount Brook. Why can't you tell me if you took an oath of office? It would proceed to say that you did take an oath of office. You're going to remove me, so you're just going to make me leave. You're not going to tell me whether you took an oath of office or not. I'm being removed? Why am I being removed for? I didn't enter a plea. I didn't say anything, sir. I'm going. Why can't he tell me if he's going to take an oath of office? Did you take an oath of office?
It's time to go.
Okay. Hold on. What trial? I didn't take. I didn't take a plea. What are you talking about? How can you make it?
Your verbiage is not helping, and I'll take your verbiage as a plea of not guilty. Unless you want to plead guilty.
I said, did you take an oath to office? And you won't respond to me. Why won't you respond to me, sir? Did you not take an oath? Did you not take an oath to defend God, this country, and the children around the world? Really? Seriously, I can't believe this. I'm in Mount Brook Court and the judge won't tell me whether he took an oath to office. What's this country coming to is what I don't understand. Well, I'm not taking no paper from you. I mean, this country, you did take an oath to office, did you? You did take an oath to office. Huh? You did take an oath of office. Why? I mean, you didn't take an oath of office.
Let's go,
huh?
Mr. Keys, let's go.
Where are we going?
We've got you're being escorted out. We've got a lot of other cases we have to get to, so come
This
on.
man did not take an oath of office. The judge here did not take an oath of office.
I feel like the only reason the sovereign citizen is losing his mind right now is cause the judge finally stopped playing along, and now his little magic word script just collapsed right in front of everybody, like he really thought he was going to walk and say a few made-up laws and walk out a free man. I mean, bro was ready to speedrun the legal system, but instead we're all here watching him crash and burn in real time. And can we please talk about this dude's outfit for a second? Man showed up in court looking like he's about to live stream from a UFO convention, GoPro on his head, like he's about to drop a how to get clowned by a judge vlog. I seriously don't even know how the bafe let this dude in the building looking like that. I mean, you guys got to admit this is the most entertaining court outfit we have seen in a minute. The judge is keeping it cool, but you could just tell this man's thinking, did this man seriously wear a costume to a felony hearing? Let me know in the comments. It's on A scale of 1 to 10, how ridiculous is this dude's courtroom strategy right now?
Brooke, and he can't even say he took an oath of office. I mean, this is embarrassing. Embarrassing to the entire country here that we're in court and the man can't even say if he took an oath of office. Yes, sir.
You need to go.
I'm going. I'm going right now. But this is a disgrace to this country. I surely hope that you took an oth of office, didn't you?
Let's go.
Will you not answer my question?
No, I'm not answering any.
So you didn't take an oath of office either to defend the people around the world? Seriously, I cannot believe this. In America right now, we got people, the judge he won't even tell me if he took an oath of office. This man won't even tell me if he took an oath of office. Y'all going into somebody that won't even say he defends the country, that he defends the United States of America, that he doesn't care about the kids. This is crazy. And none of y'all people, none of you care about it. Why am I the only one that cares? Why am I the only one that cares about this? Huh? Nobody cares about this. What is wrong with every one of you? What are y'all doing? What are y'all doing in here? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
What did they tell you? I do care about our kids. My daughter is a Birmingham police officer. So.
Did he take an oath of office? Because the policeman wouldn't even tell me he took an oath of office. The judge wouldn't even tell me. He wouldn't even tell me. He would not tell me. I asked him, did he take an oath of office? You know what he said? I don't have to answer that. He told me he didn't have to answer that. He didn't have to answer that. Now, thank you. There's one person that agrees with me. Oh, so thank you. So y'all all agree with me. This judge you're going to see right now will not say if he took an oath of office. I cannot believe this. In America, the judge don't even take oaths of offices anymore. This is crazy. I cannot believe I did not enter a plea of guilty or not guilty. I did not do anything because he wouldn't tell me if I took it. He wouldn't take any of my documents. I've got all these affidavits right here. And he calm down, Christopher. I'll be back later.
He'll be back all right back in jail next time he steps foot in that courtroom. Dude really acted like he was starring in his own courtroom action movie, but for God, he's just the side character who gets locked up in the first scene. And just look at this man's neck. When he talks, it looks like it's about to explode from pure sovereign citizen rage. I swear you could see a vein trying to file its own paperwork. And just the way he's yelling, you think the judge just stole his lunch money or something. I think the judge handled this mess very, very well. He was calm and collected, and he probably was wondering how he ended up babysitting a grown man with a GoPro in the courtroom. Anyways, let me know what you guys thought about that court hearing. Let's go ahead and dive into the next one here. This one is about to be heated as well.
Yeah, you're from some alternate universe where you don't have to obey the laws of the state.
No, you don't respect the law, sir. You see this? Are you looking? Well, I'm forced to do this. Anything I do with y'all is under threat, duress, and coercion. So any judge who does not comply with this oath of office to the Constitution of the United States wars against the Constitution and engages in acts.
All right, I'm going to mute your microphone. I don't want to hear this. Mr. Morrow Bay, are you there?
Yes, I am.
All right, this is file 21213ST. It's entitled People versus Samuel R. Perdue, who refers to himself as Samir Siraj Morrow Bay. His mother named him Samuel R. Perdue. Mr. Perdue, you got another ticket for driving with a suspended license. Second offense, that's a misdemeanor punishable by up to a year in jail and a fine of up to $1,000. You're also charged with speeding. I'm assuming you're going to plead not guilty to both of those?
No, of course not. I'm innocent, and my name is not Mr. Perdue, so I would appreciate if you didn't call me Mr. Perdue.
I'm just going to test off the judge for you.
All right. Well,
Mr.
Morrow, let me tell you this. Stop. Yeah, you're from some alternate universe where you don't have to obey the laws of the state.
No, you don't respect the law, sir.
Stop. If you drive again here in St. Joe County, I'm going to set your butt at $10,000.
And also,
I'm gonna
lie to you. You see this? Are you looking? I was forced to get this license. I don't want it, but as you can see, your officer is a liar.
Well, what's the name on that? Is that Samuel Perdue or Mr. Morrow Bay?
Well, I'm forced to do this. Anything I do with y'all is under threat, duress, and coercion.
So
every time I travel, clearly,
all right, you
one
have
of your commercial mercenaries keep pulling me over.
you have a driver's license
because your commercial mercenaries continue to pull me over and they won't leave me alone.
Well, stop driving. At least stay out
I
of.
don't drive. I travel.
All right, traveling is one thing. Driving is another. You can travel all you want. All right, but let me make this
That's
clear.
what I'm doing, and they won't let me travel. They won't let me travel on my own land.
You know what? We need to stop playing nice with these sovereign citizens and just boot them out the second they start spewing this garbage in court. If you don't believe in laws, then cool, go live in the middle of nowhere and argue